Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some Mexican rice and we're going to cook it in the oven. Everything you will be needing is in the description. The rice comes out really nice. It's like a never fail. You know how sometimes we do rice on the stovetop? A lot of people are like, well, my rice is sticky. A lot of restaurants would do this. Put it in the oven. It cooks evenly. It gets nice and fluffy. And I wanted to share this with y'all. Here I have my tomato and my garlic, and I have some onion here at the bottom, and we're just going to put this in our blender right quick. This is really good with any Mexican dish you may want to make up. A little bit of water, a little bit of cumin, just a little bit, and I'll get this on here. Let me get this on tight because sometimes these things want to leak on me. And I'll get this in there and we'll get that blended up. Okay, I have my oil here. We've got our tomato and our onion and garlic and cumin. Now you have 3 tablespoons of oil. You want to make sure you have enough oil in here. Now we're just going to stir this up, keep it going. You don't want to burn it. We're going to cook this just until it's golden brown. Okay, keep the rice moving. See how we have it a golden brown? I have it on medium high. You don't want to burn it. Okay, now we're going to add in our tomato that we blended. And you're basically going to cook this till that evaporates and your rice starts getting sticky, tacky looking. And we'll cook this down. Okay, this has been going about close to 2 minutes. That water, well, I actually turned it on high to get it to start doing just a little fry. Brings out the flavor of the onion and the garlic, tomato. And we'll just cook this here maybe once all that water is evaporated, maybe another 30 seconds. And have your oven preheated to 350. All right, now I'm going to be using some Knorr tomato bouillon, which is in the description, and I'm using some chicken Knorr bouillon. Nothing else is going to flavor it like that. Bouillons all have their own flavor, and for this rice, I highly suggest you getting some. Okay, let's pour that in there. My oven is preheated. I need a little bit of that broth. I have some of that bouillon in there. Let this come to a boil. We love this rice, and it's like I said, a no-fail. It comes out nice and fluffy, not sticky at all. Optional. You want to go in with a serrano pepper. Curtis, can you hand me that foil? I'm going to cover this up with some foil. Make sure your skillet is oven safe, oven proof. Get that foil on there nice and tight. It's boiling away. Oven is preheated. In the oven it goes for approximately 25 minutes. We're going to turn the oven off after 25 minutes and let it set in there for another 5 minutes. Remove it. Don't take the foil off of it. Let it set on top of your stovetop for another 5 minutes. Then we'll take that foil off and fluff it up. Alrighty, my friends, there is the Mexican rice. Took it out of the oven, baked it for 25 minutes, turned the oven off, left it in there 5 minutes, took it out, set it on the stovetop, let it set 5 minutes, remove the foil. Here we are. Now we'll remove this serrano pepper. And you could see here how fluffy that rice is. Look at there. Look at there. And just mix it up. And this, what I'm using is long grain rice. But it is delicious. Make it up with your, look at Curtis. He's already ready for the spoon. See, it's not sticky at all. It's nice and fluffy. It's going to have delicious flavor to it. Go ahead, Curtis. Did you hear the dog? Go ahead and try that. And everything's blended, so if you got kids that don't want onion, they don't see it. They don't see none of it. Just blend it up really good.
Is that what you used to do to me?
Like I told you before, you've eaten onion more than you know. Good old blender takes care of that. Is that good?
Oh my God,
Yummy,
so good.
yum. But I wanted to share this with y'all. It's so simple and easy to make, and it's delicious. Like I said, it's like a never fail rice. Delicious flavor. But that's about it. If you guys are new to the channel, please like and subscribe and go check out my merchandise and share, share, share. And we will see you guys next week. Enjoy yourself some Mexican rice because it sure is delicious. Bye-bye. Love y'all.